Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Yo, we're very dark, my friend. We are dark.
Oh yeah.
We're not got a tan. So yeah guys, very exciting. We didn't really film it when it happened, but we actually dropped Aurora off at Refinish Auto Panel to finally get that fix.
Yeah, it's like kind of like not a surprise. Obviously we knew it was gonna happen, but it happened sooner than
we expected.
Yeah.
Much sooner. So the insurance, they sorted us out. Yay! They sorted us out. Shamil went to take the car through to a center that they recommended. They checked it out and they saw, alright, yeah. They saw, okay, cool, the damage is quite major, what would be needed for the repair, and they sorted it out. They said it was going to take like 30 days to pay out. Yeah. Shamil phoned me the next day almost crying again.
People think I'm an emotional guy.
Telling me that the money's already in, so we could pretty much get the ball rolling.
Yeah. Ashraf already, someone gave me a date like immediately.
Immediately, yeah. So I phoned Ashraf and I told him, look, the money's there. Let's get the ball rolling. Ashraf was like, alright, Monday, your car is here. This is a Friday when I phoned him.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So so Shami went to go drop some bumpers that same day to him, by him. And then the Monday we went to actually go and drop the car off. So the surprise is that instead of just doing the repair, we're actually doing a full blowover on the entire car. Yeah. So we're gonna be rolling fresh bro, all around. Yeah, right bro? Yeah. So we also had Ashraf check out the other rust sections. You know Civic, if you know Civic, you know the common rust sections at the back basically. So Ashraf's gonna sort all of that out, remove all the dents in the car. It's basically gonna be fresh when it leaves there. Same color, so we're not gonna tease with any color reveals. No more black and white. Sorry about that guys, by the way. We just felt like playing a little bit. Yeah, you have no idea how excited I am and how happy I am for my homie, because like we said, that put him in a bit of a downer. But alhamdulillah, it's gotten sorted. So we again want to say shukran and thank you to Graham's.
Yes. And
Akeel Hassan as well. So for Graham's for sponsoring the panel, and Akeel Hassan for setting us up for that semi-clear.
Yeah.
Yay! But yeah guys, so we're just making a quick stop for some parts actually for Penelope, and we'll catch you guys soon.
Yeah, so what he has realized also, with a new color you need a new fresh set of headlights.
Pretty much.
So that's what we're collecting for his car.
But yeah, we'll catch you guys by Ashraf's, and we'll show you guys the new headlights also. But we'll catch you by Ashraf's. But yeah. Alright guys, and we made it once again back to our new second home, Refinish Auto Panel. Let's go see if there's any progress on Aurora. Salam Jin. Salam, how are you brother? Alhamdulillah. Salam bro, how are you? Alhamdulillah. Salam bro. Salam, but how are you? Alhamdulillah.
Not yet.
Yeah, it was on there. There we go. Full house man here. Yo, brah, look here, Sheffield. The progress has started. Go! Go! Yo, that's heavy. So that's entire skin basically, and then you're gonna weld on from here. Yeah. Okay.
And that is all.
Oh, semua recht afgevat. Yo, bro, it looks trippy this Sheffield. And then
we can go race like this, lightweight.
Yeah. And you welcome. But that's the key, yeah. You're probably just gonna pull out. Maybe we just don't even need to cut in there. No?
No, we don't need that. We can just pull it. I was pretty weird seeing you for like a whole section of it missing.
Yeah. But yeah guys, there it is. As you can see, they don't play around here.
Yeah, I know. They dropped the bumpers of the ready start.
The ready start, yo, that was a trip to see it over.
Yeah,
like we literally just dropped it off. Ashraf didn't instruct anyone to do anything, and when we walked in we saw the bumpers already starting to be sanded. Like that was on a Friday just before shop closed. But yeah guys, as you can see, it's definitely in progress. Lovely work being done here. Once again, can I have a peek? Yeah, Shamil, are you excited my friend?
Yes. Must be, yeah.
Is that the ones you want to have color coded to the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I was actually watching
Nah,
say
it was
subscribe,
okay.
man.
Oh, yo, I thought you subscribed already. Look at this guy.
Amazon have a YouTube, man. I must download YouTube.
Guys, Kanala, comment down below. Ashraf must start a YouTube channel. No?
Yeah.
Here's the cameraman right here.
He's going in the booth. He's like, hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I don't have time for this. Seriously.
No, but the men say they like the GoPro footage because it's a new feature that you didn't really see others do, but we wanted to show the workmanship, man. You know what I mean? And that's the only way van ons kan nie nou in die booth gaan staan nie en kappels in mekaar nie altyd. So it was freak mad. But yeah guys, again, Aurora is in the process of being sorted, corrected. Shamil is keeping the color the same even though Ashraf tried to convince him for more blue.
Yeah, maybe you can put more blue like in the clear or something.
Oh, like that you threw in with the thinness. I don't know what these that you threw in.
Pearls.
The pearls, yeah. No?
No, maybe. I don't know, it's up to you because the other sparkle stuff, flaky stuff, I'm gonna spray a plate in there, I'm gonna show you.
No,
Yeah.
whatever you recommend, always.
That's it. Because look how my car came out with Ashraf's recommendations. You know what I mean? With the trickery there. So comment down below, say Shamil must put that sparkle in there. But yeah guys, so now we're just waiting on an update. We are patient. We are patient. Look, you can't rush perfection. That's what I believe.
Yeah.
But we are waiting.
Now when the car's done, you're gonna see.
Yeah, we will catch you guys soon.
We are back at Ashraf's place. We are checking up on the Aurora. We posted some photos on the gram. So yeah, let's go see what is being done. So this is the fitment with the that is nice. It fits perfect.
And I think that the lights with me, I'm good.
Yeah, so this is the guy who did the welding of this whole panel and the top part over there. I was just talking to him earlier on like how he did the fitment and stuff of this and it came out very nice. So basically he redid this part without the light and now the light fits like 100%. That's gonna look very nice.
I was actually surprised with this piece here. There was nothing here.
Oh.
With the new piece here.
Yeah.
And I did have the lights and actually got a nice gap here.
I see, yeah.
Thank the Lord.
But yeah, the progress on the car is getting there. I'm very excited for the build. So, that's nice. When we came in, I don't know if you saw in the other video, this car is finally being sprayed. Oh, this color is so nice. It's like a metallic blue. This was the original color, like a light blue. And then they moved to this one. But I mean, it works so well with this car though. Yeah, but you're taking some photos over here. Look at that. Look at that.
The plate only till here is because if you put heat on top of the roof, then it's gonna warp.
The whole roof.
And you have to body fill the whole roof.
And obviously you don't have body fill on.
That's why I kept it so low. Yeah. And that overlaps on this panel here.
But nobody saw how bad it actually looks in here. We'll drop a photograph, but it was very bad.
Yeah.
And I mean, look how clean this is. Marvelous.
So this is what it looked like before. So you first place the bottom panel and then the inner one. Yeah, good work, very good work. So yeah, we came to check up on the progress of the car.
Nice pickup, man.
Oh, I am very happy, very happy. So the guy who rebuilt the panel, he did it without the taillight, so he couldn't check if the taillight lines up with the body.
The old taillight was broken.
Yes, yeah, the old taillight was broken. And so I brought the taillights now and it fits perfectly. So like his measurements and stuff was like spot on. And just seeing that semi-clears in the car, the car has not been sprayed.
Yeah.
But it's just the way it pops. So shout out to Akeel for that semi-clears, it looks so mad. So
shout out to Graham's also for
and
the
Graham's
panel.
for the panel, yes. Graham's for the panel.
Legend.
So yeah, so now the welding is getting sorted, and then I think after that, car will get prepped for spray. So I'm excited.
We'll catch you guys soon.
Smile on my face. So now to zoom in. So we will keep you posted on the build of the car, and then we'll come back for when, hopefully when Ashraf is actually spraying the car.
Yeah,
we can come
I'll
back
bring
for
the
that also.
GoPro through.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Sure.
Guys, peace guys, peace, safe.